Hey guys, today I'm back with my first Halloween mani of the year, and today's mani is for a toxic mermaid design. This nail art is inspired by the YouTuber Mikey from Glam Gore, who does super cool FX makeup, so check her out, she's pretty good. If you're not how I did these nails, keep watching. So I started off with painting my ring finger white, and the rest of my nails with this super chic lacquer polish. It is REM. And on that black nail, I just used a top coat. And then with my Moyu London Festive 62 plate, I just stabbed the mermaid in a black polish. And then with the orange and pink polishes, I just filled in the seashells and starfishes in her hair. Keep it on the stamper. And some green for the little dots in her hair. And then this really sick acidy green for her body. And then with my mermaid vinyls from Twinkle Tea, I just placed them on the black nail. And then with a makeup sponge, I just applied white polish to it. And then dabbed it on top of that scale vinyl. And then with a different sponge and that same acidy polish as earlier, and a luminescent green polish, I'm just dotting it all over the sponge to create a messy gradient. And sponging that on the nail. 2 coats for good measure. And then just peeled off the vinyl. Now at the top you see I kind of messed up, so I just went back in with that base colour and a detail brush and just fixed the scales. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And then on the ring finger I just painted with foil glue. Once that was tacky, I just stamped on the mermaid and cleaned up with acetone and applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these biohazard, chemical, toxic mermaid nails for you. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe are good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!